Picture this. You're standing in a room, watching 23 strangers mill about. Normal people. Random birthdays scattered across the calendar like autumn leaves. Someone makes a casual bet that two people in this room share the same birthday. Your rational mind scoffs. 365 days in a year. Only 23 people. The math seems laughably simple. The odds should be tiny, right? You'd lose that bet. And when you discover why, it will fundamentally change how you see the hidden mathematics that governs everything around us. We live our lives trusting our intuition about numbers. It feels natural, almost primitive. When we see a small group of people, our minds instinctively calculate few people, many possible birthdays, low chance of collision. This intuition has served humanity well for millennia, but here, in this seemingly innocent probability puzzle, it becomes our greatest deceiver. The birthday paradox reveals something unsettling about reality itself. The mathematics that govern our world operate by rules that mock human intuition. With just 23 people, not hundreds, not thousands, but 23, there's already a coin flip chance that two people share the same birthday. With 57 people, the probability explodes to 99%. Your mind rebels against this. It has to be wrong, but the mathematics are merciless in their precision. Here's where the paradox unveils its dark elegance. You've been thinking about this problem wrong from the very beginning. Your mind pictures one person, perhaps yourself, standing in that room, comparing your birthday against everyone else's. In that scenario, yes, the odds would be low, but that's not what's happening. What's actually occurring is far more complex, far more beautiful, and infinitely more strange. Every person in that room isn't just a single point of comparison. They're part of a vast web of connections. In a room of 23 people, there aren't 23 comparisons happening. There are 253 unique pairs. Each person connects to every other person, creating a hidden network of potential matches that your intuition cannot visualize. Think of it like this. You're not watching 23 isolated individuals. You're watching 253 separate lottery tickets being drawn simultaneously. The game was rigged from the moment you entered the room. This isn't just an abstract curiosity. The birthday paradox is operating around you right now, in ways that would terrify you if you truly understood their implications. In the shadows of cyberspace, hackers exploit this principle through birthday attacks, using the paradox to crack passwords and shatter encryption far faster than anyone expects. What should take centuries to break falls in hours because the mathematics of coincidence are on their side. In forensic laboratories, DNA analysts grapple with a haunting reality. When comparing genetic profiles across large populations, false matches appear with disturbing frequency. Two people, unrelated by blood, can appear genetically identical not because of some cosmic connection, but because probability demands it. In the vast databases that now catalog human existence, our purchases, our locations, our digital fingerprints, duplicate records multiply like digital ghosts. What appears to be the same person in multiple places is often just the birthday paradox playing puppet master with data, creating phantom identities that exist only in the mathematical shadows. But perhaps the most profound impact of the birthday paradox isn't technical, it's existential. This paradox forces us to confront an uncomfortable truth. Our intuition, the very mechanism we use to navigate reality, is fundamentally flawed when it comes to understanding the world's hidden mathematics. We are biological creatures trying to comprehend a universe that operates on principles our minds were never evolved to grasp. Every day, you make decisions based on your intuitive sense of probability. You assume certain coincidences are meaningful while dismissing others as random. You trust your gut about odds, about chances, about the likelihood of events. The birthday paradox suggests that this trust may be catastrophically misplaced. So here's what I want you to consider as you close this chapter of understanding. If our intuition fails us so completely with something as simple as birthdays in a room, what other mathematical realities are we blind to? What patterns govern your life that you cannot see? What coincidences that feel meaningful are merely the inevitable result of probability? And what dismissals of the improbable are actually missing the profound? The next time you find yourself in a room with 23 or more people, remember this moment. Ask around about birthdays. When you find that match, and you likely will, Don't just marvel at the coincidence. Marvel at how fundamentally your understanding of reality has been transformed by a simple mathematical truth that your ancestors could never have imagined. The universe operates by rules that defy human intuition. The birthday paradox is just the beginning of that revelation. What other certainties are you prepared to surrender?